Hey everyone, it's Tom Crowds with another Rockstar Minute. And look, as real estate investors, we're always trying to figure out the fundamentals that are happening right here in Ontario and Canada and the Golden Horseshoe. And I never know if the government actually knows what they're doing. Check this out. Look at the Ontario population growth chart here. It goes right up to 250,000 people, and then all of a sudden it kind of dips back down. So that got me wondering, why does it dip back down like that? And I looked into the immigration data in Canada, and you'll see this chart up here. In 2019, 2020, 2021, immigration projected admissions are slated to go up or trend upwards, not down. So I don't understand why the Ontario government is thinking the population is going to drop like that, or the population growth, absolute growth numbers are going to drop like that. And then if you look at year over year growth, you can see on this data point right here that over the last 12 months at the end of Q3, the Ontario population grew at 257,000 people this current year. So instead of the chart looking what it just looked like that we just showed you there, shouldn't it look like this? So not like 250 and coming down. We're still on this trend line of 250. This might be the population that's coming our way. And if this is the population that is coming our way as a real estate investor, I kind of like that, because to me it means there's more people coming into the area than leaving, and it's likely going to increase demand for properties, for rents, for everything in this area. I feel like it's one of the best areas to invest in North America because of exactly this. And I just want to show you one other thing. We went over to the Office of Economic Policy. They have the Ontario Demographic Quarterly, and here it's showing in the Q3, which is the last data point that we have, that Ontario's population grew at 88,000 people. Now, it's not even through the year, so this isn't going to be exactly fair. But if I extrapolate that out through 4 quarters, it comes to a population trend that looks like this. And this is the population that would be coming our way. So I know it's probably not that. And Q3 does look like, if you go through the historic data, it does look like we get more population growth in that quarter than any other quarter. But if that's the population coming our way, we have problems. So I think it's probably more like this one where it's 250,000. And really that's a big change from the previous 20, 30, and 40 years, as you can see on this chart. So if this much population is coming our way, to me, it doesn't mean property prices are going to go up forever. There's no way. But in the long term, in 10, 15, 20 years, it's probably a good sign for property prices. There could be a 2, 3, 4, 5-year window where property prices do soft and even come down. But over the long term, when this much population is coming our way, to me, it bodes well for being a real estate investor in this part of Canada. Hopefully that gives you something to think about. Until next time, your life, your terms.